uJesu Kristu uyinkosi.
Jesus Christ is Lord.
Ngicela nje ukuveza ukuthi uNkulunkulu odala izulu nomhlaba namhlanje usenguye lo wayekhona endulo.
I'd like to say that the God who created the heavens and the earth is the same God.
Kanjalo uma sonke sila kumusa wakhe ukuthi sivukile namhlanje.
If we are here all together, it is by His grace that we were able to wake up today.
Akekho beneqiniso lokuthi uzovuka namhlanje kodwa ngumsa wakhe omiphakade.
No one had an assurance that he or she would wake up this morning, but because of His grace,
Ihoko 136
Psalm 136,
liveza obala ukuthi umusa kaNkulunkulu umiphakade. Kulama verse onke kuthiwa umusa kaNkulunkulu umiphakade. Lo musa kaNkulunkulu wangathi besikawemukela sonke. Ihoko 136 uma ithi umusa kaNkulunkulu umiphakade.
Psalm 136 says that the mercy of the Lord endures forever.
Kanjalo ke asibe naleli thuba lokudumisa uNkulunkulu ngeimpilo zethu. Ilokho engicela ukubingelela ngakho.
Therefore, we should all have the opportunity to glorify God. That's how I greet you.